This is the DMP Flex 350 Dual. This is our latest offering on the DMP line. Dual laser system built off the same production heritage as our Flex and Factory 350. It's just built for production. It's super intuitive, it's easy to flip, it's very, very reliable, super repeatable. It's built like a tank. It is built to run lights out over and over and over. The Flex 350 Dual has two lasers, one scan box and then scan box 2. What's unique about that is that it's the same optic system as our single laser system, so we have easy scalability up to the dual laser. The DMP process essentially is a micro laser welding process over and over and over. As with any welding process, the purity of the atmosphere is absolutely essential to the fidelity of the weld and the ultimate microstructure of what we're able to create. One of the new features on the Flex 350 Dual is the pre-filter cyclone. What this allows us to do is capture powder before it gets blown into the filter, improving filter life, as well as allowing you to potentially reuse the powder within that pre-filter cyclone. The first thing that anybody will notice when they see one of the 3D systems, mid and large frame hardware systems, is they're huge. They have 3/4 inch steel throughout this vacuum chamber. What this allows us to do is we do 3 cycles of vacuum, purge, vacuum, purge, vacuum, purge. On that last cycle, we leave the argon in the system. So we're actually operating at a slight overpressure of argon, but at typically 0 to 25 ppm oxygen content within the build chamber. This is orders of magnitude less than what else is on the competition. 3D Systems DMP has always been well known for an extraordinary surface finish. This is enabled through the best-in-class environmental control, as well as the fine feature size of our optics.